गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम सेल्सफोर्स में चैट जीपीटी के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। चैट जीपीटी मतलब चैट जनरेटिव प्री ट्रेनिंग द ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स। नेक्स्ट, सेल्सफोर्स प्रोडक्ट टू द supercharge chat gpt effectiveness. Chat gpt integrations can be benefit the following: the Salesforce product sales clouds. Sales team can be focused on closing the deals rather than the qualifying the leads by the automatic the customers and engagement and the leads and qualifications. Next, service clouds. You can use the chat GPT to create a chat bot that provide the automated the customer service. Only this not only make the customer happier, but it is also the reduce to in for the human again. Next, marketing clouds. Uh, Personalize the emails campaign in the marketing clouds and in chat GPT and increase open and conversion rate. It can also generate the personalized the content for the social media campaigns. Next, community clouds. Chat GPT can be the used to create and community chat bot that can be response to client the inquiries and provide the relevant information. Instant AI. Salesforce Instant AI the platform can be the use to train and chat GPT to the understand industry the specific language and the terms. As a result, it is allow not now possible to the automated the more customer interactions. Instantaneous voice chat GPT, you can the create the voice assistant that can help the client by the scheduling the appointment, answering the frequently as a ask questions in plain English and the perform the other the task. Next, Salesforce Commerce Clouds Chat GPT allow you to create a chat box for your the online store that can be make the product and recommendation and the walk customer thought the purchase in the process. Next, Salesforce PQ Chat GPT can be the used to build and chat bot that help the customer with the pricing and product configuration to the log human interaction inter, interactions. The quick process the short tail. Salesforce 4. Personalize the landing the page and the from form can be the made using the chat GPT and the improving the leads conversion for ABM and campaign. It can be also be used to the create and personalize the content the account the base of the marketing. Next, Salesforce instant the analyst chat GPT and support the national the language querying. So user can be ask question in the everyday language and get the answer in the form of the interactive visualizations. Next, chat GPT from the Salesforce Quick, and you can the word and chat box that is a facility document the creation and formatting and the collaborations. Salesforce lot chat GPT, you can the build chat bot that can be interact with the connected the device, give access real time that informations and like the sensor the regarding status and update and the head the troubleshoot. Next, Salesforce app clouds chat box for custom but applications like the finance, logistic, and the human resource can be made using the chat GPT in the Salesforce app cloud. Human the interventions in the discreted will be internal process are the accelerated. And next, Salesforce Feed Service. Chat GPT is a platform that is can be the used to create and chatbox that is assistant client the with of the dispatching the scheduling and the tracking the feed service and technique. And additionally, it can be the offer real time the status update and the troubleshooting the supports. Next, Salesforce Health Clouds chatbot that help patients make the appointment, access their the medical records and find the answer to the common health questions can be developed using the Salesforce Health Cloud and ChatGPT. Next, questions. Salesforce Financial Service Clouds create a chatbot that can be help the customer with the account management, investment guidance, and the financial planning using the Salesforce Financial Service Cloud, the ChatGPT. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, आज हमने देखा है चैट जीपीटी के बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कस किया है। अगर मेरा चैनल आपको पसंद आता है तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू, बाय फ्रेंड्स, टेक केयर।